Hello everyone, this is Ron. So, you have already heard about Kraken, the crypto exchange praised for its security. Maybe you're brand new to trading and want a clear, up to date walkthrough. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up and make your first trade on Kraken. So, Kraken is a US based cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2011. Known for its rock solid security and compliance, it allowed trading of hundreds of coins, including spot, margin, and futures, plus staking and institutional service. It's trusted, ranking among the most secure exchange and has never been hacked. Fully regulated, available in 180 plus country, and now expanding into traditional, assets, and with its planned acquisition of NinjaTrader. So perfect for all levels, simpler mode for newbies, pro for advanced users. So first of all, just to get started, go to Google, search for Kraken, and you will be available here. You will land up here. On the top right side corner, there's an option of sign up. So let's go ahead and click on sign up. Here you have to just enter your email and password and make sure you fill up all this information and click on create account. If you're creating a business account, you have to enter your email and password and country of formation and click on create account. I have already made an account, so I will just go and click on sign up, and here I will fill up the information here. But for those who don't know how to create an account, it's simple. Enter your email. Now here, enter your password. So let's make a strong password here. Select your country, invitation code, and just go and click on create account. Make sure your account is completely safe and click on create account. Here, a code will send to your email. So let's go to our email. Then you have to enter some of this legal information just to get you verified. So make sure you enter your legal first name, last name, your date of birth, and this is the address and phone number and occupation, and click on continue. And then you have to add your additional information. So how do you plan to use this account? So I'm just going to select I'm still exploring, but you can choose any different option. What are your income sources? So here I'll select salary and expected monthly deposit and withdrawals. You can set it here and less than 10, and let's click on continue. So here these are some of the additional information. So what are your wealth sources? So I will just go and select the salary, and you can add some other information depending upon what your case is. Now here it is asking to upload a photo ID, which is a valid government issued photo ID required to verify your identity. So just go and click on press and continue, upload your photo ID depending upon which country you're living on. And then you will see this entire interface here. So I'm just going to select I'm new to crypto, right? You can choose any different option. So I can just skip it here. Now here it will give you a two platform to get started. The first one is a simple investing. It means the entire interface is very simple. You won't get any confusion here. It has an instant buy and sell button, automated recurring orders, pay with card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Now, the advanced trading is basically Kraken Pro. So it has an advanced order types, for the traders. There's a charting system, right? There's a, you can trade, you can make patterns, you can customizable trade layouts, and there's much more. So let's go with a Kraken here. And if you are a very experienced trader, then you can just go with a Kraken Pro. Now this is the exact complete interface of Kraken here. You can choose a dark mode, but I think white is better for now. Now here you can see on the left side, there are a lot more options. This is our home button. So obviously it will give you entire detail, like for example, what's your portfolio value. And here we will go one by one here, but let me just give you some few information here. And here whichever the altcoins or cryptocurrencies are trending right now. So you can see here Tether USD, it's trending right now, Ethereum, Bitcoin as always. In the last 24 hours, which are the most bought altcoins or cryptocurrencies here. So you can see here there are many of them. You can just go back, and here you can see which are the most sold altcoins here, right? The assets which are sold right now. So you can check this out, and here you can see the chart of BTC. Obviously if you click on it, then here these are the watch list. So you can add more altcoins or any coins which you want to put it in your watch list. So for example, I like to say BTC here, so it will give me a slight description about what is a BTC, what's the market status. So it will just give me what's the market capital, what's the volume in the last 24 hours, and at what rate it got open today, and this is here day range and the 52 weeks range here, right? As well as you can see the entire chart. For example, this is the 24-hour chart. I want to see the entire chart of 24 hours, I mean for the 1 week. So here you can see 1 week. Now same goes for 5 years. So let's go and check out the 5 years here. And you can see here the 5 years on 2021, it was around $37,000, but now one BTC is around $1,17,000, which is crazy. Here you can see 67% buys in the last day, right? So this was this some general information, but let's go back to the home here. Now, obviously, if you want to buy, then you have to deposit. So let's go and click on deposit, which you will find here. You have to get verified to deposit your money. So make sure you're verified here. And in the deposit, you will get this all this option, which is available in your country. You can pay through card, you can pay through wallets, you can pay through UPI and Google Pay and Paytm and all this different kind of transactions method you can use this. Now once you have, right, so for example, just for hypothetically, it will show me how much deposit I have. Now let's say I want to buy XRP, or let's say I want to buy some different altcoins here, so I can buy it. So I can search for any of the altcoin. You can also press Ctrl plus K in your keyboard and you will get this search bar. Let's say I want to buy Polygon here, and here we have Polygon Matic. So I will just go and choose this one. Now it will give me a complete information of the Polygon here, right? And let's say if I want to buy here, then here I have to choose, right? You have to make sure you are in the buy section. If you want to sell it, then you have to select sell. And this is for the convert. Now in the convert, you have to choose whether if you want to go Polygon from BTC or something else. If you have Ethereum, then you can swap it through Ethereum, right? If I want to buy it, then obviously I have to enter the amount. Let's say I want to buy one Polygon here, and here I can just write the I can choose here my payment method, and here I have to simply click on buy now and click on get buy. So instead of get verified to trade, you will get this option of buy now. So you have to make sure you're verified and you have to add your payment method, then only you will able to do this. And same for the sell. So here you will find this option whether you want to sell. Let's say you have one Polygon, then you want to sell 25% of Polygon, 50%. You can also have this custom. For example, I want to sell 0.11, then I can choose here 0.11, and this is a max, right? And you have to just go and click on sell, right? And whatever assets which you have purchased will show up in your portfolio. So it will show me the entire portfolio value. For example, let's say you have a different kind of cryptocurrency. You have a Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have Polygon, right? And if you have XRP, then it will just calculate the complete value, and it will show up here. So it will show that exactly in 1 month what was the entire fluctuation, what was the growth, and the a drop in your entire portfolio value. If you want to deposit money, there's another option of deposit. Let's say you want to withdraw, so you have to simply just go and click on withdraw, and automatically it will ask you some information that which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. I mean, obviously you have to sell it, and it will just get converted into a BTC, not BTC, sorry, it will be converted into that Tether USD, and then you can just withdraw this. So automatically you will able to find it, and whichever account you use to deposit, you can withdraw in the same account. This is the explore option. Then you can explore that what kind of different assets are available in the market. So here are some of the meme coin, which is fat coin. You can see here, for again, these are some of the gainers in the last 24 hours, right? Now you can just go and scroll from here, which are the famous and the hottest, you can say, hot cakes over the cryptocurrency markets. You can see here, this is Tether, Ethereum, and USDC. There's a lot of fluctuation going on right now. And what are the most mostly bought? So I can just go and check out in the see all, and I can find it every cryptocurrency, and I can even buy it. Now this is activities. So what is activities? All the transaction which you're doing will show up here. So if you're just continuously trading, and whatever transaction, even it's a minor or bigger transaction, it will show up here, and you can just go and check it from everything from here. Now these are the watch list. So I can add some of the coins in a watch list. Let me show you. For example, let's go to the explore here, and here let's say I want to, let's go and search for any one of the coin. Let's go for the deep book. Now just go and click on it. On the top left side corner, you will see the star icon. Click on it, and automatically it will get added. So here you can get notification if there's a sudden change happening. So here I can just directly, it will act like a shortcut, right? I can even expand this entire section, and this is the entire thing. This is our account which you just made. On the top right side corner, this is transfer. So you can obviously deposit and withdraw. So this is the third option where you can deposit cash or crypto and withdraw, right? And here this is a app icon. So right now we are using a simpler version of Kraken. Now we can just move to the Kraken Pro. So to move it, click on Kraken Pro here. So this is for the pro, and obviously you can find it all this, your portfolio will show up here, and you also need to verify your identity. Now if you want to trade, if you're a good trader, professional trader, then obviously this is one of the best platform here which you will find it. You can trade, you can do the futures, you can buy futures, you can just bet, and there's a lot of things which you can do in the market. So let's talk about the fee overview. So if you do an instant buy, then there will be 1.5% fee, but easy and fast. So that is a really fast. And if you're using a pro trading, then here the market fees start as low as 0.16%, and the takers goes around 0.26%. So great for active traders here. And there's a lot more features which is available right now. So for example, there's a staking, so earn interest on supported coin up to 20% APY depending on asset. There's a recurring buys, so set automatic buys weekly, monthly to dollar cost average. Even there's a mobile app, so you can use Kraken Pro on your mobile app and you can check out the entire market, and you can even do the transaction from there. So Kraken, boasts an unbroken security record, which is no hack till date, which is really good, and fully regulated, transparent, and compliant with KYC AML standards globally. And here there's a lot more. So if you want a detailed video on Kraken Pro, just let me in the comment box and I will make a detailed video on it. I hope till here you found this video very useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe.